Hi everyone. Today we'll show you how to create custom add to cart on your WooCommerce single product pages using essential blocks. Let's get started. Make sure you have installed and activated essential blocks and created a store with WooCommerce. Let's enable the add to cart block. Go to your essential blocks dashboard, then blocks. Find the add to cart block and toggle it on to enable. Navigate to editor from appearance. Select templates, then WooCommerce. And after that choose single product template. Click the plus icon where you want to add the block, search for the add to cart block, and insert it. Now, let's personalize the block. Choose a product type from the General tab settings to multiple product options based on interest. Toggle on to show the quantity of product and add the button text manually or dynamically. Now, go to the Style tab. Set the sale price and color. Scroll down to Variable Product. Then choose the color and do the same for the quantity section. Select the button color to style your Add to Cart button. From the Advanced tab, you can fine-tune the block's appearance and behavior. Adjust margins and padding and more. Then hit on Save to apply changes to your template. Let's preview how your customized Add to Cart button will be displayed. That's how easy it is to design Add to Cart button using essential blocks. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to watch more tutorials like this.